Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to explore the best free AI tools that will let you turn text, images, or video into fun cartoon animations. So whether you are a beginner or just curious, this is for you. So first, you can just go to a free AI video platform like Kyber, Runaway, or Animaker, or like this Canva AI, and many of these have a free version. You can just sign up with a Google or email to get started. And next, you can just create your cartoon video. You can upload a photo or video, or you can enter a text from like this, a funny cartoon character walking in the city street, and the AI will generate an animated cartoon version for you. You can just tap on this one to submit it. And once the video is generated, you can just preview it first by playing it. So these are the results for my prompt in here. You guys can see here. And if you want to change background styles and music, you can adjust it by going to this option, use Canva editor. And in here you can add a background music. You can edit or add some filters to the clip. So once you're happy, you can click on share and download the result. Most free tools will give you a watermark version, so if you want it watermark free, you can upgrade later, but free is great to start. And if your video doesn't load or crashes, you can try reducing the video length. Use lower resolution for faster processing, or clear cache or switch browsers, and this usually fixes most problems. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a free AI cartoon video and fix common errors. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.